Hello. In this video, we will be going over the FOIL method, which is a standard method for multiplying two binomials. Or, more specifically, it's the mnemonic that helps us remember the best way to do so. FOIL, being a mnemonic, stands for something. In this instance, FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, and last, telling us that we should multiply the first terms in each of the binomials, i.e. the a and the c. Outer, meaning we should multiply the outer two, being a and d. Inner, b and c. And last, b and d. Now, to be fair, you don't necessarily have to do them in that order specifically, but it's just a good way to remember that and make sure that you've done each one. So we're going to go ahead and do this in theory first. So we're going to do this one. First is a times c being our first terms. Outer is a times d. Inner is b times c. And last is b times d. So that's how it works in theory, but let's get a real simple application so we can prove that it works. So for this, I'm going to substitute in some numbers for our current variables. I'm going to make a equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to 3, and d equal to 5. Now, it's not terribly practical to do it this way because we know 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 5 is 8, and 3 times 8 equals 24, which we've arrived at without having to go through the FOIL method. But this is a proof of concept. So we're going to go ahead and go the way that we know, the simple way to do it, and then we're going to go the long route in order to see if it checks out. So we're going to do first 1 times 3 is 3. Outer, 1 times 5 is 5. Inner, 2 times 3 is 6. And last, 2 times 5 is 10. Sorry, these are all addition. And then we're going to add these up. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. And 14 plus 10 is 24. So as you can see, it checks out. We get 24 no matter which way we go, so we know we can use this method. Now, while this might not be a practical way, let me show you a way that you will most likely be using this practically. If we have x's in here for our a and c terms. So let's put x plus 2 times 2x plus 3. So obviously we're not going to just add these two terms independently and multiply them out because they're not like terms. So that's the practicality in using the FOIL method here. So what is it? It's a times c, which is x times 2x, which is 2x squared, plus outer, which is x times 3, or 3x, inner, 2 times 2x, which is 4x, and last, which is 2 times 3, or 6. In this case, we do have like terms that we can combine, our 3x and our 4x. So if we do so, we get 2x squared plus 7x plus 6. So you can see how this can be useful in order to simplify this out to something that you can write as a general form polynomial. So we started out by talking about the theory behind it, proved that it works, and showed a practical application. And that's how you use the FOIL method. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. Bye.